Nevada, California. Nevada, California. Nevada, California. Nevada, California. So stupid. Good morning, runner friends. I am in Tahoe with the family, about ready to go for a little run. Apparently there's some trails right behind Harrah's, and I'm gonna go check them out. It's a beautiful morning. I heard on this trail there's a waterfall, so we're gonna go see. All right, the trailhead is literally a half a mile from my hotel. It's called Sickle. Takes you to the Tahoe Rim Trail. There's a lot of uphill this beginning of this trail. But look at this thing. I mean, come on, I was just at a casino like 10 minutes ago. Oh, yeah. It's probably just gonna be a little tiny waterfall. I'm not expecting like a big epic Hawaiian waterfall, but I'm excited. It's a cool trail. Alright, I didn't bring my trail shoes on this trip. So I was wondering how this was going to be with my road shoes. Super easy trail, well maintained. Not too technical, so no problems with the shoes today. I hear water. I'm getting close. I found it. Look at this thing. That's pretty cool. Gotta get your hat wet. That's the rules. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, that's cold. Alright, turnaround spot. 2 miles. Make this an even 4. Alright, all done. Only a couple miles, got to get back, check it out if you're ever here. It was gorgeous, beautiful trail. Hey, definitely if you're in Tahoe, get outside. Just get out of the casino if you're in the casino, and get a little hike in. Be good to get some blood pumping and make you feel better if you lost money. All right, see you next time.